This is your man Tete, aka Boom Boom, the music man. Yes, before we get to the lesson, I just want you to know some of the instruments that I do perform and play. Yeah, as you can see, the xylophone, I do play the talking drum, Djembe, panlogo, conga. Yeah, and I do collaborate with all kind of musicians from jazz, blues, rock. You can name them, Latin music. Yeah, I play the flute too. So this is what I do, and I just want you to take a few seconds to enjoy it before we get to the lesson. Okay. Always I'm joking with the drum. This is your man Niiteteboye, aka Boom Boom. Yeah, today, congratulations. Congratulations to those who were with me from 1. And today we have rhythm number 10. Straight up. Congratulations to everyone who was following me from the 1 to now. Minasa Tete the skill wa omedeto gozaimasu. Rhythm daiju ichikara zuto ishoni yatteru hito wa omedeto gozaimasu. Today we are on the rhythm number 10. So we have to upgrade. So from now we will upgrade. So this is how the rhythm goes. Don't let the rhythm scare you because the technique should be there and it's simple. Minasan, korekara mo choto musikashi no musikashi te mo choto upgrade ne up ni yaduido ni nishimasu soshitara dondo chiyoku naru ne. So you can rattle, do something. So this is how the rhythm goes. Now, is the one I was playing before? Do you remember? No. Yes. No. Okay. Let's go. Yeah. Yes, like always I do. Let's take it slowly. So this is how it's going to be. First is slap, Saishiwa slap. So then it's kind of rolling, right? It's when, so you don't go or something like, it's just same. Your hand go. So, it goes the same, but one just lead little faster because it's not like that. It's just okay. So it's just like one hit before other. Just slightly different. Minasan, rolling da kedo, tega isho janakute, shitotsu ga saki ni tataku da kedo, bimyo ne, sugu tataite kochi mo tataku ne. It's like that, but it's more faster. It's soon this hit this one also. So it's just then it's join the slap.
I know it's just now we are going into the rolling. You have to know how to roll your hands on the drum. So when it comes to the slap tool, it's something like that. So we will do, or as time goes on, Yukuri, Jojo, and step by step we go. Congratulations on Medetor for number 10. So just take your drums, boom, and do the practice. It's just simple. Okay, yeah. If you don't get it, repeat the video, repeat it, and also put energy, put more, more practice. So you definitely get it and enjoy the reading. Yeah. Minasan, taikotote ne. Choto sono reading mo. Tameshitemi. Zei ichikara ju wa zuto kyu made ishoni yateru data zei ju mo dekiru yarimasho ato saigo wasire nai share the videos with your friend otomodachi ni share shite kudasai de mina kyu mi adukata o ishoni yarimasho. This is Niitete, and see you again. Don't forget to subscribe and Toroku shite kudasai. Bye bye. Sayonara.